Hi guys, we're here to talk about solutions to problems. I have here a machine, a virtual machine, and this is probably best if you try this first in virtual machine. But some of us are affected by updates, right? And at some point in time you get an update in, or then you run into issues. But sometimes you're actually waiting for an update to come along, and that's in this case in Discord. There is somebody who actually believes, hopes, thinks, heard that probably if the packages of the testing, if they are in multilib, both of them are testing, just don't type anything but press enter. These are all the things that are in testing, and there are other things in multilib testing, and here the testing goes on, and here it is, right? The Linux header 5.15.1. I've already made some videos about the XenMods kernel, and that's the 5.15. At this point in time, 11/11/2021, this kernel is not yet in testing. Now what I told him on Discord is he's an issue. He has a black screen, right? He has a black screen. It can't work. So what you have to lose in that respect, if you actually open up the test repo, and yes, if you have a beautiful graphical design, sure, you can launch ATT, and it's gonna be super simple to actually say pacman enable ArcoLinux test repo. Boom, click, it's enabled. But he's on a black screen, which means he's on TTY, which means it's a terminal. So what he can do is do the same with a command. And pacman means nano pacman, open me pacman. Navigate to where the ArcoLinux stuff starts. Look for testing, right? This is testing. Include testing, done. There is some more testing in here, community testing and so on. So delete the hashtags, the ones you don't want, and then say, okay, let's see what we get. Yes, and we update. So what do we get if we do this? We get the Linux header, Linux and Linux header 5.15.1. We got a new Xorg server, systemds are coming in, and this is from community. So let's keep community out of the equation by going back and say, okay, never mind the community testing, that's Broadcom, don't want that, let that still be the old one. And then you, like this, you can have a look around, say, okay, well now the ALSA profiles come in, that's normal, it's a normal update, extra. All the rest is testing. And you can give it a go, right? This is a virtual machine. What can go wrong? Nothing. Delete it again, install it again, done. But of course, if you're on a real machine and you have data, well, don't do it. Put your data somewhere else. That's the first thing you do, always. My solution is simple. Everything in the cloud. Every single second of the time I am synced to the cloud. So it can break every second of the day. No problem, nothing lost. It's all in the cloud already. Let's have a look at the 5.15.1 kernel. All right, a SR or sudo reboot, and we're off to another error message as well. We know why that's happening, and we've got ourselves a 5.15.1. Is that his solution? Is that your solution? I don't know. Maybe downgrading is a solution. Maybe installing different drivers is a solution. It's entirely up to you to figure out, hey, what pieces of the Lego box do I need to be able to have a functional system. And things change, right? The contents of these packages are changed by ArcoLinux, are changed by AOR maintainers. So things will change over time. And from time to time, we need to analyze it again. All right. So this was about opening up test repos in the hope that what's coming to you in the testing repo is gonna help you. All right. Cheers.